Good morning everyone. Today is September 25, 2024 at anong oras na anak?
Um, 8:55 in the morning.
8:55 in the morning. Parang ilang buwan na rin akong hindi nakapag-post ng video.
Hello! It's
Hi,
me,
guys.
Jazz!
Si Just pawis na pawis. What were you doing this early in the morning?
Watching TV.
What time did you wake up?
Early.
What time?
5.
Yun guys. So, as always, ang routine niya, araw-araw siya nagigising ng 5 in the morning. So, 5 in the morning, gising na ang diwa naming dalawa para makapagkulitan tong batang ito. What was your breakfast today?
Casino.
Casino. Pero hindi mo inubos ng rice, di ba?
Yes, Mommy.
When was the last time we posted a video?
Recently.
Anong recently?
The other day.
The other day.
Last week.
No!
The other week.
Months ago.
Months ago.
Ano nung video nating last? Ano ba yung video nating last?
Prince and Princess Ball.
So, July pa yun. July 30 bali kasi July 29 nung July 21 nung event.
I built my Lego set all the time.
Okay guys, so since July, ano nangyari sa atin?
We went to we went to Makati Sports Club.
And no, after Makati Sports Club. What happened August, September? So August, we went to Quezon City.
We went to QC.
Tito JP came home.
Ninong GP came home.
And then Papa Junel.
Lolo Junel came home too.
Tapos, while we were in Quezon City, what happened?
There was a wake.
Who died?
Dr. Ramo.
Doktora ko, tita. Lola mo, lola tita mo.
Lola Tita ko.
Which is my OB.
Which is your OB.
She died of, complications in cancer. So,
Cancer.
we stayed in Quezon City for a while.
For a
like,
while.
For 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks.
Tapos, we went home.
We went home.
What happened when we went home?
Amazing was
No!
No.
House, about the house.
The bed looks good.
No.
The house is
We transferred
transferred a new house.
to a new
To a new house, which is here.
Yeah.
4th floor.
Fourth floor. From the front
From
house,
front-
second floor, to the
second-
back of
To the
the...
back of the house.
No. Back of the compound.
Compound?
On the 4th and the 5th floor.
On the 4th and the 5th floor.
Which do you like better? What?
Here.
Here. Ayun guys, so lumipat kami ng bahay. Pinagawa ko din nung nilipatan namin kasi nung umalis na border, sinira niya talaga nung property. Sobrang literal. Yung border na yun, siya nung second...
Nagawa akong Lego set at saka nag-display.
Ayan guys, so dito sa tinitirhan namin ngayon ni Jazz, dito ako tumira noon when I was studying. Tapos first year kong magtrabaho, nung first time kong magtrabaho after
I love
kong
you,
mag-graduate. I love you too. Ito nung dito ako natira. Tapos nung pumalit sa akin dito, yun nung border. So starting 2008, dito na nakatira nung border. Tapos sinira nila ng property. Semi-furnished kasi dito, wala na natirang gamit. Lahat sira. Tapos, walang ilaw. Lahat as in literal sira. So, total renovation nung ginawa ko. Ang pinakamalupit yung sa ginawa ko ay rewiring.
Wow. I can move my one eyebrow.
Ayan. So, siyempre, nag-paint, rewiring. Nilipat ko nung gate para kasi sakop ko na nung pati 5th floor eh. So, 4th and 5th floor.
Mommy, I'll be right back.
Okay. Tapos ngayon, ongoing pa rin ng renovation, ng mga repairs. Ay, sino yan?
See, amazing.
Ay, amazing.
Do you know Cutie? She was given away.
How about Beauty?
She was given away and then she died. And I made a photo of R.I.P. Beauty 2023 to 2024.
Ayun guys,
Which is
yun
sad.
which is sad. Yun lang naman no update namin. Hindi
I'll
ko
be
pa
right back.
Okay. Hindi ko pa ma-videohan ng bahay kasi hindi pa siya totally tapos. Tapos, ang dami ko pang kailangan bilhin. Pinalitan ko na ng aircon namin from
From
0.7
0.7
HP to 1.5 HP inverter. Dito kami sa sala natutulog ngayon kasi nung aircon nasa sala. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng aircon sa room kasi hindi naman kailangan. Pero gusto ko ding makatulog. Gusto ko din matulog sa room namin. Ang problema
But Bebo, walang aircon sa loob.
aircon mainit din. Ay, update!
Update!
I was able to get
Dad,
by driver's license.
driver's
updated.
license.
And
And it will
renewed.
expire in 2034.
Ayan. Hindi na ako Ineses Gonzales na ako ulit. Ang susunod na gagawin ko ay ang pag-renew ng mga passport namin. Nung passport ni Jazz,
And naka-expired.
expired na. Ako nung passport ko, change name. At saka, syempre, change, renewal na rin. Pero 10 years kasi yun eh. Baka
Once
change na yun.
our passport is fixed, we can go to Japan.
You wanted to go to Japan. Where in Japan do you want to go?
Nintendo World?
Nintendo World. Okay. Pag naayos na dito, i-aakit na namin si Nugget and
Hot
Hot
dog.
Dog.
That are hedgehogs.
Ayun. Feeling ko papayat kami dito.
We're getting skinnier because
Bakit?
we were walking upstairs and downstairs.
Okay. Ano oras na?
9:02.
Ano oras ka papasok?
10 to 12?
10 to 12. Ano pa? Magba-birthday na ako!
Advance happy birthday, Mommy!
Thank you. Ayun, wala na akong masabi.
After you blow the candle on your birthday, you should make a wish.
Ay, parang hindi nga ako magpa-party, anak eh, kasi dami natin gastos. Ayun. Thank you so much for watching!
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye!